Ever heard of Yokosuka? It's a city in Japan home to United States Fleet Activities Yokosuka, or CFAY for short. This base is a crucial hub for the U.S. Navy in the Western Pacific. Its primary mission is to keep the base running smoothly, providing logistics, recreation, administration, and service support. Think of it as a mini-city dedicated to supporting naval operations. Located at the entrance of Tokyo Bay, CFAY covers 568 acres. That's about half the size of Central Park in New York City. The base houses 55 tenant commands, all working together to support the U.S. Navy. These commands support the 7th Fleet, a major component of the U.S. Navy's Pacific Fleet. The only permanently forward-deployed aircraft carrier calls Yokosuka home. Currently it's the USS Ronald Reagan, CVN-76, a floating city and symbol of American power. Carrier Strike Group 5 is based there, adding more firepower to the region. Destroyer Squadron 15 also operates out of Yokosuka, providing crucial escort and defense capabilities. But Yokosuka's story goes back much further. Before it was a naval base, it was a small fishing village. Commodore Matthew Perry's arrival in 1853 changed everything. He used naval power to open Japan up to foreign trade. In 1860, the Japanese government decided to build a modern shipyard. They hired French engineers to help design and build the Yokosuka Iron Works. Later renamed the Yokosuka Navy Yard, it became a major shipbuilding center. The Japanese Imperial Navy built battleships and aircraft carriers there. The Yamashiro battleship and the Hiryu and Shokaku aircraft carriers are examples of ships built there. The Yokosuka Naval Air Technical Arsenal designed important military aircraft. During World War II, the yard covered 280 acres. Today, CFAY continues to play a critical role in maintaining security and stability in the Western Pacific.